In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Blowin' in the Wind by Bob Dylan.
To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
That's the sound of Bob Dylan, one of his earlier hits, Blowin' in the Wind, a classic Americana piece. I want to say congratulations to James Morgan. That's our Wednesday winner today. So he's going to get the Ultimate Acoustic Blues, which is a fun course, especially if you like the blues, which I do. I love it. So congratulations, James. Let's get right into Bob Dylan. We're capoed up to the 7th fret here, and so we're truly in the key of D. But I'm going to call out the forms as they lie on the neck. So it starts out with a G chord, and then a C chord, back to a G, and then G, and then C, up to a D. Only 3 chords in it. And then back to a G, to a C, G, G, C, D. Then the chorus goes C, the answer to D, G, C, C, D, G. So there's 3 chords, G, C, and D. And I'm going to just take it real simple, break it down, and then I'm going to give you some of the little classic Bob Dylan walkdowns and walk-ups that he does. So I'm going to play it in time for you first, and then I'm going to break it down. So that's the form of the song. That's the verse into the chorus, back to the verse.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
So what I'm doing here is I'm doing kind of as far as the strum, I'm using I can try it with a pick, so a lot of you I know work with a pick, so let's see what it sounds like that way. So here's what it sounds like with a pick and just kind of an easy strum. That's the feel of it. And the right hand is just doing a root and then a strum. Typical Bob Dylan kind of folk strum. Okay, so now I'm going to sing a little bit for you so you get the feel of it, because I think it's important to get the timing and the rhythm. You know, it really helps if you can sing into it a little bit. So. How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? How many seas must a white dove sail before just getting that easy strum feeling. I teach this in my easy strum course, and I remember doing this. It's important to just get that right hand, that's your rhythm, right? And as far as the actual chords, it's just 1, 4, 5, G, C, D. Now what he does is he does some kind of cool little walkdowns that I'm going to show you now. So you can do... that little, it's basically on the A string, you go down from your third finger to your second finger, or you can, all right, just keeping it simple on that verse feel. So it's G, C, G. Again, G, C, G. Notice there I did a little walk down on the C. Went from a third fret on the A string on the third finger, second fret A string to the D. So without getting into too many moves, that's an effective one. Kind of a nice little thing that Dillon does there. G. And then comes the chorus. The answer, G, C to D, G, C, D. So that's the bones of the song. And again, if you want to get into the little connective tissue, I call it, that. But I think the most important one is when you're at the end of each verse. I think that's the important one, is just walking that before you get to the D, and then the answer. You can do it there too. And here you can walk up. Kind of cool. Now the way Dillon plays it, I've seen him do it live, he plays it different every time. So it's not really written in stone, all those little changes, but I'll leave it up to your own discretion. But when doing these songs, what I recommend is try and find a way to make it your own. So, because none of us are going to sing it like Bob. I'm not Bob Dylan. I'm not Eric Clapton. And I don't really aspire to be them. But it's good to learn from the masters, right? So, and Dillon is definitely one of them. So that's Blowin' in the Wind, and I'll take it out with one more time around. Classic Blowin' in the Wind, Bob Dylan. Congratulations to James, our Wednesday winner, and we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.